Hello, kids. My name's Eli, and today we're going to be reading Pete the Cat. I Love My White Shoes by Eric Litwin. Pete the Cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much, he sang this song. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. It's got a little guitar there, isn't that pretty cool? Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Red. Did Pete cry? Goodness no, he kept walking along and singing his song. Everything is cool, says Pete. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Blue. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song, and he thought that was pretty awesome. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. What color did it turn his shoes? Brown. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing a song, and he thought they looked pretty groovy. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a bucket of water, and all the brown and all the blue and all the red were washed away. What color were his shoes again? White. But now they were wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing his song, and he thought that had to do a lot with rock and roll. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. And he kept walking along, and his shoes were squeaking from them being wet. The moral of Pete's story is, no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song. Because it's all good. The end. That was Pete the Cat. I Love My White Shoes by Eric Litwin. Thank you for joining me for this story. Have a good day.